Hello student of class 2, welcome back to your general knowledge class. Children, in this class we will do chapter 8 of your book, and the name of the chapter is When Do They Grow? Okay, when do they grow? Okay, this is the name of the chapter. Page number 13. So children, open your book at page number 1313. This is page number 1313 of your book. Okay, now we will do an activity like we have done in the previous class. When do they grow? Now here we can see picture of watermelon, orange, few flowers, isn't it? Now why you will study this is, see, tell me one thing, do we get this mangoes that we are getting now in this season throughout the year? No, we don't get, isn't it? So they are seasonal flowers as they depend on a particular degree of temperature for their growth. Okay, so there are different vegetables, fruits and flowers. They grow when it is warm. Okay, in the warmer months. And there are few flowers, vegetables and fruit which grow in cooler month. Okay, see this cabbage. Seasonally, this cabbage and cauliflower, mostly we get it in the cooler month, isn't it? Like watermelon, see these days the market is full of watermelon because they generally grow during the warm months in the of the year, because they need high temperature for its growth. Okay, clear. So what we'll do, there is an activity for you. What you have to do is, see, you have seen the picture of a watermelon. Here two spaces are given. Same likewise we have done in the previous page. We have to take out the sticker from the back of the book. Then you have to put the name, the picture of those vegetables, those fruits first. In the first line, fruits, those fruits that grow in warm month. Okay, so we will definitely search for mango. Let us see. Let us do. Yes, you all have opened page number 13. Take out. Then let us move to the last page and search for the fruit that we see in the warm month like now. Okay, yes, here we can see the picture of mango. Then what we'll do, we will take out the sticker from here. Do with me. Take out the sticker. Try to take it out. Yes. See, I have taken out the sticker of mango from here. Then where I'll put it, we'll move to page number 13. Okay, we'll move to page number 13. This is page number 13. So here it is written, these grow when it is warm. These grow when it is warm. So what grows? Mangoes, watermelon. And I have put the picture of mango here. Fine. Now one more fruit we have to find. Picture of one more fruit we have to find from the back of the book. Let us check it. Yes, lychee. Lychee, do you all like lychees? Yes, it's very juicy, isn't it? We should take it because it is too hot now, isn't it? So we should take juicy fruits. Like I have taken out this one, lychees. Then I'll move back to page number 13. Then what I'll do, I will paste the picture of lychees here, because here we are doing the fruits. So these are the three fruits that we get in the warm month, like watermelon, mango, lychee. Okay, now we'll go back, go down. These grow in the cooler months. See, these fruits, orange. This is an orange. When do we get orange? Mostly in the winter, isn't it? Now two more fruits picture we have to find out from the back. Let us check that we get in the cold month. In the cold month, yes. Which fruit do we get here? Fancy. Can you see the picture of any fruit given here? This is orange, isn't it? I can't find. Check. This is gulmohar flower, this is cabbage vegetable, this is pansy flower, this is carrot, and this is also dahlia. So I think by somehow there is a mistake. The picture of this fruit is not given here, so we will leave this one. One picture obviously will not get a single fruits, picture of a single fruit, isn't it? So we will leave this line, children. We will leave this line because we have not got the picture of any fruit that generally we eat, we get in the month of, in the cooler month, isn't it? In the cold month. So now then we'll go to vegetables. Vegetables, see what are the vegetables that we get in the month or in the cooler month? Cauliflower. What else we get? We'll see whether the stickers are available or not, isn't it? For this we have not found any suitable sticker, so leave this as it is. So let us move, check for the vegetables, and we know that we get cauliflower in the month of, in the cooler month. Now see, yes, I got it. Cabbage. Okay, see, this is the picture of cabbage. This is a sticker of cabbage. Take out the picture of cabbage. I have taken out. Do it fast. You do it, me. Okay. Now where we'll put it? You will put it here. See, here. Done. One more vegetable sticker, see, that we get in the cooler month. Go back, go back. Yes, I got it. This is carrot, isn't it? We get carrots in huge amount, so we will just stick the sticker of carrot here because this is a vegetable that we get in the cooler month. Now which are the sticker that are left here? Let us see flowers only. Now which flower do we get in the month of, in the warm month, isn't it? So see, mogra, this one is given here. Two more flowers picture we need that we find in the month, in the cool month. In the cooler month we get pansy. Pansy is a seasonal flower, we get it. This is pansy. So I will stick it here. You also do. So I will stick it here. This is pansy. Clear, children? One more flower that we generally get in cool month is, see, the two stickers are left here and one lady's fingers picture is like this, of no use, leave it. Now two pictures. Which flower do we get in the month, in the cooler month? Obviously dahlia. So take out the sticker of dahlia from here. Try. Those who cannot do, you take the help of your parents. Okay, your elders, your parents. Let me try. Yes, I could take it out. Okay, chalo, you also do with me. Now we will go to page number 13 and stick the picture of dahlia here. Okay, this way we have completed this one, the fruit that we get in the hot, in the warm month. And this yes, these are the flowers that we get in warm month, and then fruits we got. Okay, but we have not got the sticker of the fruits that we generally get in the cooler month. So you can draw here. One thing that you can do is you can draw here. Those who can draw, you can draw, or you can write down the name of two more fruits that grow in the cooler month. Okay, fine. So these flowers we have done. Okay, so this is done, this picture, this chapter is done. So children, in the next class, where do they grow means plants and animals. This is plants and a few trees. So we will learn about this in the next day, in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.